PEP 0008. What does the BDFL mean by in true XP style? I was reading PEP 0008, the Python style guide, and came across the following reason to not follow any rule in the style guide. It says that it's okay to break a rule too. Be consistent with surrounding code that also breaks it, maybe for historic reasons, although this is also an opportunity to clean up someone else's mess, in true XP style. What does in true XP style mean?
As mentioned in the comments, XP here refers to extreme programming. I think the comment an opportunity to clean up someone else's mess, in true XP style, may be half tongue-in-cheek. While refactoring and design improvement are core practices in XP, many critics argue that it often leads to the same code needing to be rewritten several times.